The majority of people do not realize that our thoughts and words are influencing and imprinting our own minds. Words consist of vibration and sound. It is these vibrations that create the very reality that surrounds us. Without words, a thought can never become a reality. Your words are vibrating and creating your life, your reality, and thus our universe, which holds vast, the space of infinite knowledge, and your birthright. In the beginning, there was sound with vibration, and then we turn them into meanings through words. Be very careful of the words you choose and the lilt of your voice when you speak them. Have a fabulous day.
Please comment, like, and share if you want more content like this video. Thank you.